ओम यदविद्याविलासेन भूतभौतिकसृष्टयः तन्नौमि परमात्मानं सच्चिदानन्दविग्रहम् शङ्करं शङ्कराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। त्रिगुणात्मिका माया, because of that the मायावच्छिन्न chaitanya Ishvara also gets the bheda, even though Ishvara Sakshi is one, but because of the Maya Upadhigata Guna, he gets the Sanya of Palaitri Vishnu Narayana based on Sattva Guna Maya Avachhinna Chaitanya. Rajoguna Maya Avachhinnam Chaitanyam Srashtru Brahma Vidhata etc. And Tamoguna Maya Avachhinnam Chaitanyam Samhartru Maheshwara Rudra etc. This is how different names are assigned to that same Chaitanya. Atha yoha khalu vav asya rajasomsho asau yoyam brahma atho yoha khalu vav asya tamasomsho soya so sa yoyam rudro atho yoha khalu vav asya satviko amsho asau sa yo ayam vishnuriti Maitreyopanishadi tathaiva avagatehe ityartha. Page number 53. So in Maitreya Upanishad, that same Ishvara Sakshi is called Brahma, Vishnu, Mahesha. Not Mayavachinna. Mayavachinna Chaitanya. Not Sakshi. Ishwaratva Sakshitva has Bheda actually. Ishvara and Sakshi doesn't have Bheda. This also we saw. विशेषणत्वे ईश्वरत्वम मायाया विशेषणत्वे ईश्वरत्वम उपाधित्वे साक्षित्वम इति ईश्वरत्व साक्षित्वयोर भेदः न तु धर्मिणः ईश्वर तत्साक्षिणः. ईश्वर is one from Sakshi, means Ishvara and Sakshi are same. So this Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva, they are the names of Ishvara or Sakshi?
Ishvara.
Ishvara and Sakshi are same. So whether it is Ishvara or Sakshi doesn't make any difference.
This is Ishvara with Adi Swamiji.
Ishvara with
Upadhi, because Rajoguna, Tamoguna, and Satvaguna is being described.
no. See, मायायाः विशेषणत्वे ईश्वरत्वम्, मायायाः उपाधित्वे साक्षित्वम्. ईश्वरत्व साक्षित्वयोः भेद. Between ईश्वरत्व and साक्षित्व there is भेद. Between Ishvara and Sakshi there is no भेद. So if I say Brahma, Vishnu, Shiva are Ishvara or Sakshi, between them there is no भेद. Ishvara is Sakshi. This is how it is given in Maitreya Upanishad. So Maitreya Upanishad is considered here as Pramanam to show Ishvara gets three different names based on three different karya associated with three different gunas of Maya. Upasyantu Triguna Maya Avacchinnameva Vishnu Mahesha Ganesha Dinesha Durga Rupena Sthitam. Sthitam Anuswara, if it is not clear, then you make it. Nattu Ekaika Guna Pradhana Maya Vishishtam Upasyam. Tasya Nirankushaishwaryavatva Shravanad iti Drashtavyam. Upasyam tu Triguna Maya Avacchinnameva. Upasya is Chaitanya. Upasya is not Sattva Guna Avachinna Chaitanya, Rajoguna Avachinna Chaitanya. Upasya is Triguna Maya Avacchinnam Chaitanya. Vishnu, Mahesha, Ganesha, Dinesha, Durga. Why only these five names are given? Vishnu means Vishnu. Then Mahesha, Shiva. Ganesha, Ganesha. Dinesha,
Surya.
and Durga. Why these five names are there? You don't know? Nobody knows this? These are the five for Panchayatana Puja. Bhagavan Bhashyakara established this Panchayatana Puja. Means you have all five deities and each day one will be Pradhana. Vishnu, Shiva, means there is no bheda between Shaivite, Vaishnavite also. This is emphasized in Panchayatana Puja. And Surya Upasana is also done, Dinesha. And Shaktaha, Ganapatya, all are included. Ganesha is there, so his bhaktas. Shakti is there, Durga. This you must know. So, what is Upasya is not Vishnu, Mahesha, Ganesha, Dinesha, Durga. Tad Rupena Sthitam Triguna Maya Avacchinnam Chaitanyam eva Upasya. Natu Ekaika Guna Pradhana Maya Vishishtam Upasya. नॉट एक एक गुण प्रधान माया विशिष्टम चैतन्यम उपास्यम. वाय तस्य निरंकुश ऐश्वर्यवत्व अश्रवणात्. तस्य निरंकुश ऐश्वर्यवत्व अश्रवणात्. तस्य कस्य?
एक गुण प्रधान माया विशिष्ट उपास्यस्य
No, माया विशिष्टस्य, not उपास्यस्य, माया विशिष्टस्य. एकैक गुण प्रधान माया विशिष्टस्य निरंकुश ऐश्वर्यवत्व अश्रवणात्. एक एक गुण प्रधान माया विशिष्ट ईश्वर does not have निरंकुश ऐश्वर्य. निरंकुश ऐश्वर्य is only with which one?
ईश्वर,
त्रिगुण
विष्णु, नारायण.
माया अवच्छिन्न.
त्रिगुण माया अवच्छिन्न चैतन्यस्य. You have to read the pankti and give the answer. इति द्रष्टव्यम्. फर्दर, ननु ईक्षणस्य ईश्वर साक्षिणः सृष्टि पूर्वकालीनत्व प्रतिपादनात् तस्य अनादित्वं बाधितम्. तस्य सादित्वे ईश्वरस्य, ईश्वर र इज मिसिंग, ईश्वरस्यापि अनादित्वं बाधितम् इति शंकते. Somebody is asking a question. Ikshanasya Ishvara Sakshinaha. Ishvara Sakshinaha Ikshanasya. There is second number tippani on that. It is slightly invisible, so you make it clear. This is number 2. सृष्टि पूर्वकालीनत्व प्रतिपादनात् ईश्वर साक्षी, ईश्वर साक्षिणः ईक्षण. दे ईश्वर साक्षी will do ईक्षणम. ईश्वर साक्षी will do ईश्वण और ईक्षण, और ईश्वर will do ईक्षण.
Both are same.
सृष्टि पूर्वकालीनत्व प्रतिपादनात्. So ईक्षण happens before creation. It is सृष्टि पूर्वकालीनम. पूर्वकालीनत्व प्रतिपादनात् तस्य अनादित्वं बाधितम्. It is there in time, so then it is not anadi, it is in time. And if it is sadi, tasya saditve ishwarasya api anaditvam badhitam. That's why you see in first line he says Ishwar Sakshinaha. In second line he says Ishwarasya. Ishwar is also is not anadi then. His anaditvam is also badhitam. Iti shankate. Nanu, previous page, 53. Nanu Ishwar Sakshino anaditve. Khandakar you can put. Ishwar Sakshino anaditve तदैक्षत बहुस्याम प्रजायेय इत्यादिना सृष्टि पूर्व समये परमेश्वरस्य आगंतुकम ईक्षणम उच्यमानम कथम उपपद्यते. ईश्वर साक्षी is anadi. Anaditve, then tadaikshat bahusyam prajaye. By this vakya ityadina सृष्टि पूर्व समये परमेश्वरस्य आगंतुकम ईक्षणम उच्यमानम. सृष्टि पूर्व समय, बिफोर क्रिएशन, Parameshwara has Ikshana. Parameshwara does Ikshana. That Ikshanam is Agantukam. Means it comes in time. It is not that he is doing it all the time. There was no Ikshanam, then Ikshanam is over. This is called Agantukam. Kalatraya Parichinnam. Parameshwarasya Agantukam Ikshanam Uchyamanam. Katham Upapadyate. Ikshanam Katham Upapadyate. Means Purvapakshi is saying Ishvara also will become Sadi. टीका. यथा अभिव्यंजक अंतःकरण वृत्तेः सादित्वेन तत्प्रतिबिंबित जीव साक्षित्व रूप ज्ञानस्यापि सादित्वम् तथेक्षणादि अभिव्यंजक माया वृत्तेः सादितया तत्प्रतिबिंबित ईश्वर साक्षी चैतन्यस्य ईक्षणादि ज्ञान स्वरूपस्यापि सादित्वम् अतो न तयोः स्वतो अनादित्वे बाधकम् इति आशयेन आह. यथा अभिव्यंजक अंतःकरण वृत्तेः सादित्वेन. अंतःकरण वृत्ति इज सादी. दैट अंतःकरण वृत्ति इज अभिव्यंजिका ऑफ चैतन्य. So if antakaran vritti is sadi, tat pratibhimbita jiva sakshi swarupa jnanasyapi saditvam. So somebody thinks because antakaran vritti has utpatti, antakaran vritti avachinna chaitanya also has utpatti. Chaitanya, it doesn't have utpatti. Vritti has utpatti, so somebody thinks vritti avachinna chaitanya also has utpatti. तथा ईक्षणादि अभिव्यंजक माया वृत्तेः साधितया. In the same way, ईक्षणम happens in maya vritti. Maya vritti becomes manifest. That maya vritti has pratibimba of chaitanya, which is called Ishvara. माया वृत्ते है साधितया तत् प्रतिबिंबित ईश्वर साक्षी चैतन्यस्य ईक्षणादि ज्ञान स्वरूपस्यापि साधित्वम्. So because vritti has beginning, therefore someone may think tat pratibimbita chaitanya also has beginning. But that is not the case. Sakshi chaitanyasya ikshanadi jnana swarupasyapi. Ikshanadi is a jnana swarupa. Jnana swarupasyapi saditvam. Ikshana is actually chaitanya matra. Only vritti udbhava is there. अतो न तयोः स्वतो अनादित्वे बाधकम्. Therefore, तयोः स्वतः अनादित्वे बाधकम् न. तयोः, तयोः of the two. Which two?
Vritti and Ishvara.
No. Any other answer?
Sakshi Chaitanya and Ikshanadi Jnana.
No. Read properly. Jiva Sakshi and Ishvara Sakshi. Tayoho means of these two. See, yatha abhivyanjaka antakarana vrittehe saditvam. Antakarana vritti has beginning. But that does not mean Jiva Sakshi has beginning. Tat pratibimbita Jiva Sakshi Swarupa Jnanasyapi Saditvam. Saditvam means it is thought that it is a Sadi. Why? Because Antakarana vritti has beginning. Jiva Sakshi doesn't have a beginning. In the same way, Maya vritti is Sadi. Tat Pratibimbita Ishvara Sakshi Chaitanya is not Sadi. It is Anadi. But it is thought of as Sadi. Na tayoho swataha anaditve bhadakam. Jiva Sakshi Ishvara Sakshinoho swataha anaditve bhadakam na. Means swataha anadi. Are you all understanding what is happening here?
Yes, Swamiji.
It is a little confusing.
So Jiva Sakshi, Ishvara Sakshi are Anadi. Jiva Sakshi when it is Pratibimbita in Antakarana Vritti. Ishvara Sakshi when it is Pratibimbita in Maya Vritti. Then because of the Vritti having beginning and end, somebody may think Chaitanya has beginning and end, but it is not the case. Ujyate iti. Evam Sakshi Uchyate. Further now in Tika. Evam Sakshi Dvaividya Pratipadanat. Tasyaiva tat tat vritti anugatasya ज्ञानत्वात् प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान द्वैविध्यम अपि सिद्धम इत्याह. Sakshi Dvaividya Pratipadana. Sakshi Dvaividya is there, two types. Ishvara Sakshi, Jiva Sakshi. Sakshi Dvaividya Pratipadanat Tasyaiva Tattad Vritti Anugatasya Jnanatvat. Then Tattad Vritti Anugata Jnanam is also there. Sakshi has Jiva Antakarana Vritti is illumined by Sakshi. Maya Vritti is also illumined by Ishvara Sakshi. So Pratyaksha Jnana Dvaividhyam api Siddham. Therefore Pratyaksha Jnanam is also of two types. Jiva Sakshi Pratyaksham, Ishvara Sakshi Pratyaksham. Evam in the Moolam. So first, Yatha. Before Evam, we have to do some Moolam. Yatha Vishayendriya Sannikarshadi Karanavashena जीवोपाधि अंतःकरणस्य वृत्ति भेदा जायन्ते तथा सृज्यमान प्राणी कर्मवशेन परमेश्वरोपाधि भूत मायाया वृत्ति विशेषा. Just as Vishaya Indriya Sannikarshadi Karanavashena, because of Vishaya, Indriya, their Sannikarsha, कारणवशेन जीवोपाधि अंतःकरणस्य वृत्ति भेदाः जायन्ते. जीवोपाधि अंतःकरण हैज वृत्ति भेद. तथा सृज्यमान प्राणी कर्मवशेन अंतःकरण वृत्ति भेदा मीन्स घटाकार वृत्ति, पटाकार वृत्ति, सुगंध, रस इत्यादि. सृज्यमान प्राणी कर्मवशेन प्राणी जीवस which are created in Sharira, Parameshwara Upadhi Mayayaha Vritti Visheshaha. Vritti, varieties of Vritti will be there in Maya because of the varieties of karma of different jivas. How? Idam idanim srashtavyam, idam idanim पालयितव्यम, इदम इदानीम संहर्तव्यम इत्यादि आकाराः जायन्ते. This I have to create now, this I have to support now, this I have to destroy now. In this way, in Maya, all these vrittis come. तासांच वृत्तीनां सादित्वात् तत् प्रतिबिंबितं चैतन्यमपि सादि इति उच्यते उपचारेण. वृत्ति है सादित्व, सो तत् प्रतिबिंबितं चैतन्यमपि सादि इति उच्यते. एवं साक्षी द्वैविध्येन प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान द्वैविध्यम. Sakshi is of two types. What are they?
Jiva
Ishvara Sakshi and Jiva Sakshi.
Jiva Sakshi and Ishvara Sakshi. So, Jnana Sakshi Dvaividyena Pratyaksha Jnana Dvaividyam. Will there be any Jiva Sakshi Pratyaksham different from Ishvara Sakshi Pratyaksham? Means, will there be any Jiva Sakshi Pratyaksha Jnanam that is not included in Ishvara Sakshi Pratyaksham?
No, sir.
Then why Dvaividyam?
Because the other way around may be right. What is in Ishvara Sakshi Pratyaksham may not be Sakshi Pratyaksham.
Say that again. What is?
And the other way around, like what is Ishvara Sakshi Pratyaksham may not be Jiva Sakshi Pratyaksham. That's why Ishvara has Sarva Nirankusha Tishaya.
So, Ishvara Sakshi Pratyaksham includes all. There is no doubt. Jiva Sakshi Pratyaksham is assigned based on Anubhava. Because Jiva says, I have this Anubhava, I am Ghata Jnana Sakshi. If Jiva says, I am Ghata Jnana Sakshi, I had Ghata Jnanam. If I had Ghata Jnanam, nobody can deny that you did not have Ghata Jnanam. You have to accept. Therefore, it is not said that there is only Ishvara Sakshi Pratyaksham. A separate category is created called Jiva Sakshi Pratyaksham. And whatever is Ishvara Sakshi Pratyaksham is not Jiva Sakshi Pratyaksham. प्रत्यक्षत्वं च ज्ञेयगतं ज्ञप्तिगतं च इति निरूपितम्. So that evam we saw, evam in Tika. So before that, vritti visheshaha, then 1 number tippani jayante. You have to add jayante. And then 2nd number tippani, also let us read. Samanadikarane shashthyau. ईक्षणस्य ईश्वर साक्षिणः तथा च ईश्वर साक्षिणः ईक्षणस्य सृष्टि पूर्वकालिकत्व प्रतिपादनात् कालिक अवधि रहितत्वस्य अनादित्वस्य अभाव ईश्वर साक्षिणी अभावे ईश्वर साक्षिणी तस्य क्षणस्य सादित्वे तद् विशिष्टस्य ईश्वरस्यापि सादित्वम्. tasya kshanasya saditve tad vishistasya ishvara will also become sadi. That was the shanka that we have answered. What is the question?
Harium Swamiji, does Maya have vritti?
Yes. It is like antakarana vritti. You will have to accept. When you
But
say there is
vritti
srishti,
only
vritti means parinama.
not the mental thought. Antakarna vritti.
No, vritti is a separate shabda. Vritti, if you add with antakarana, it will become antakarana vritti. If vritti you add with maya, it will become maya vritti. If I say vritti with mrit, vritti means parinama. Vritti shabda you can add with any in this context. So maya vritti will be there, some parinama in maya.
So Jiva vritti, Jiva Antakarna vritti and Maya vritti are different.
Very much
Now,
different.
oh,
Then
thank you, Swamiji.
एवं साक्षी द्वैविध्य निरूपणा जीवेश्वर साक्षी जन्य प्रत्यक्ष भेदेन प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान से द्वैविध्यम. When Ishvara does ikshanam, that ikshanam requires parinama in maya. That is why it is called maya vritti. When we say Ishvara is sarvagnya, how does Ishvara know everything? Through maya vritti. I think I explained this in Mundaka. Yes, sarvagnya sarvavit, in that. प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान से द्वैविध्यम सिद्धम इति to na ramyam. Somebody says this is not ramyam. Ramyam means is delighting. Na ramyam means it is not very delightful. Means not something that we don't want. Tippanikar says vastuta tu idam eva ramyam. This is ramyam. That because of sakshi dvaividya, जीव ईश्वर साक्षी जन्य प्रत्यक्ष भेदेन प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान से द्वैविध्यम इस रम्यम. टिप्पणीकार से, टीकाकार से न रम्यम. वाई टिप्पणीकार सी टिप्पणी वस्तुतः इदमेव रम्यम तच्च प्रत्यक्षम पुनर्द्विविधम इति प्रकृतानुसारात् तत्र जीव साक्षी इति पदस्य जीव साक्षिणी अपरस्य एव औचित्यम दर्शितम अधस्तात् अस्माभिः. Why? Because he said the prakrita, prakarana started by saying taccha dvividham. He started with this. That pratyaksham is twofold based on jiva sakshi, ishvara sakshi. So that was supposed to be the pratipadanam, which is done. So it is right. इति प्रकृतानुसारा तत्र जीव साक्षी इति पदस्य जीव साक्षिणी अपरस्येव उचितम औचित्यम दर्शितम. जीव साक्षी इति पदस्य जीव साक्षिणी अपरस्य एव औचित्यम दर्शितम अधस्तात् अस्माभिः.
Swamiji, it's different in this book. It's Jiva Sakshi Janya Parasya Eva
जीव
Auchityam. Jiva Sakshi Janya Parasya Eva Auchityam.
Jiva. So after tatra, Jiva Sakshi iti padasya is there or not there?
Yeah. Yes, that is there.
Okay. So tatra Jiva Sakshi iti padasya Jiva Sakshi Janya sya eva auchityam.
जन्यपरस्य एव औचित्यम्.
Jiva Sakshi Janya para. Jiva Sakshi Janya para is Jiva Sakshi Janya Pratyaksha. So he said that is appropriate. And that will be shown, Auchityam Darshitam, that is already been shown by us, Adhastat Asmabhihi. So we have already shown that. Uttara Grantha Virodha, so everybody can make that correction. Jiva Sakshi Janya Parasya. उत्तर ग्रंथ विरोध विभीषिका अपि धूलि प्रक्षेप रूपा एव इति अपि दर्शितम्. उत्तर ग्रंथ विरोध विभीषिका. उत्तर ग्रंथ, what is coming hereafter, in that if somebody is showing virodha, उत्तर ग्रंथ विरोध विभीषिका, विभीषिका वी उपसर्ग पूर्वक भी धातु अणिच प्रत्यय and then णवुल vibhishika. So actually there is a, it says strilinga shabda, tap pratyaya is also done. So if some fear is shown, vibhishika means bhaya pradarshika. It is like dhuli prakshepa rupa. Some dust is thrown in the form of prakshepa, vikshepa. Means Tippanikar says, some objections if they are raised, they are not valid. Tika. Iti tu na ramyam jnaptigatam pratyakshhatvam chitvam eva iti uttara grantha virodhat. Somebody will ask that Purvapakshi, why do you say this pratyaksha jnanasya dvaividhyam is not ramyam? He says, because jnaptigatam pratyakshatvam is chaitanyam only. It is chitvam. Chaitanya is one. Kanchit vishesham abhidhatum vrittam anuvadati. So says Chaitanya is one, but pratyaksha jnanam is vritti avachinna Chaitanya. That vritti has bheda. Therefore, Chaitanya has bheda. In मूलम प्रत्यक्षत्वम च ज्ञेयगतम ज्ञप्तिगतम च इति निरूपितम. This is on previous page number 54. Pratyakshatvam is two types. Jneyagatam, Jnaptigatam, iti nirupitam. Is it already nirupitam or it is going to be shown?
Already done.
What is Jneyagatam? Pratyaksham.
Vishayagatam.
Vishayagatam means when Vishaya is Pratyaksha, then that Jnanam is called Pratyaksha Jnanam. It is called Niyagata Pratyaksham. Nyaptigata Pratyaksham means
Jnanagatam.
Means
Jnanagata.
Pratyaksha. Pramana.
So the Prama is for Pratyaksha Jnana. Therefore, because the Pramana is Pratyaksha. So Nyaptigatam, Niyagatam, Nirupitam. तत्र ज्ञप्तिगत प्रत्यक्षत्वस्य सामान्य लक्षणं चित्तमेव. ज्ञप्तिगत प्रत्यक्ष सामान्य लक्षणं वा चैतन्यम. दिस वाज सेड अर्लियर, चित्तमेव. 1 नंबर टिप्पणी. चित्वम स्वप्रकाशत्वम. स्व न च अस्य लक्षणस्य भ्रमे अतिव्याप्तिः. And this लक्षण doesn't have अतिव्याप्ति in Brahma. Brahma also will become Swaprakasha. So it is said, no. Brahma jnanasyapi swamshe jnananse pratykshataya samanya lakshanasya lakshyattvat. Vishesha lakshanasya अतिव्याप्ति निरासस्तु मूलकृता एव अबाधित विशेषण उपादेन करिष्य इति. In Brahma, प्रत्यक्ष ज्ञान और प्रत्यक्ष प्रमा लक्षण अतिव्याप्ति will not happen. Because Brahma ज्ञानस्य अपि स्वांशे प्रत्यक्षतया सामान्य लक्षणस्य लक्ष्यत्वात्. ब्रह्म ज्ञानम सामान्य लक्षण will go there, but विशेष लक्षणस्य अतिव्याप्ति निराश will be done. What is the vishesha part? It should be abadhita. Brahma, in case of pratibhasik vastu, that is also illumined by Sakshi. And Prama is also illumined by Sakshi. What is the bheda between Brahma and Prama? Brahma is badhita, Prama is abadhita. And therefore, Vishesha Lakshana will not have Ativyapti in Brahma. Samanya Lakshana, if you just say Chitvam, Chaitanyam is there in Brahma also, there is Chaitanya. In Tika, ज्ञेयगत तत्र ज्ञेयगत ज्ञप्तिगत प्रत्यक्षत्वयोर मध्ये ज्ञेयगत प्रत्यक्षत्व ज्ञप्तिगत प्रत्यक्षत्व between them ज्ञप्तिगत प्रत्यक्ष सामान्य लक्षणम इज चैतन्य. दिस इज द फर्स्ट वाक्य. चित्वमेव. चित्व मीन्स स्वप्रकाशत्व. ओके. नाउ फर्दर. ननु अनुमित्यादाम अनुमित्यादा, there is no anuswara, it just looks like anuswara. अनुमित्यादावति व्याप्तिरित्याशंक्य सर्वत्रापि तत्तदाकार वृत्ति उपहित चैतन्यस्य स्वात्मांशे प्रत्यक्षत्वेन सर्वस्यापि ज्ञानस्य लक्ष्यत्वात् नाति व्याप्तिरित्याह. ननु अनुमित्यादौ, in anumiti etc., there will be ati vyapti. If you just say what is pratyaksha jnanam, chaitanyam. Anumana jnanam also is chaitanyam. So anumityadau ati vyapti. Upamana jnana is also chaitanyam. All jnanams are chaitanyam. Ati vyapti iti ashankya sarvatrapi tattadakara vritti upahita chaitanyasya. In each case, it is tattadakara vritti upahita chaitanya. चैतन्यस्य स्वात्मांशे प्रत्यक्षत्वेन सर्वस्यापि ज्ञानस्य लक्ष्यत्वात् न अतिव्याप्तिः इत्याह. It is तत्तदाकार वृत्ति उपहित चैतन्य, so स्वात्म अंशे प्रत्यक्षत्वेन. स्वात्मांशे प्रत्यक्ष means अंतःकरण वृत्ति उपहित चैतन्य. In that chaitanya amsha is स्वयं प्रकाश. अंतःकरण वृत्ति has प्रत्यक्षत्वम based upon Vishaya is Pratyaksha, or it is based on Anumanam, Parokshatvam, etc. As far as the Chaitanya Amsha is concerned, Swatma Amsha, Chaitanyasya Swatma Amsha, Chaitanya Amsha, it is Pratyaksha because it is Swaprakasha. So, Sarvasyapi Jnanasya Lakshatvat. That part, that Lakshana will go in all Jnanam. Therefore, there is no Ativyapti. The Vishaya will make the difference. For Anumanam, Vishaya is not Pratyaksha and Jnanam is based on Anumiti. So it is different. Ityaha Parvata. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Krutau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Veda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.